Hi, this is Classic Techart and welcome to another video. As you can see to my computer screen, today I have here for the show you how to design a professional Illustrator logo design. So this is a fantastic S logo design. So this is very simple and just to stay tuned with me and you can learn something from here. So don't worry, don't stop. Just let's begin today. So first of all, I need to go select all the things and a little bit smaller and keep to the counter side. So what can I do? I just to press to the typing tool and it's just here over here. So I'm a little bit bigger here and double click over here and delete all the things and type just S. Okay, so I think you see what kinds of font are using. This Arial and Nora Bold, you see. So it's also most important things. So first of all, I need a bigger little bit and go to the object and upon expand all the things and it's done. Perfect. So I need it to the middle side, to the center, and a little bit bigger, and a little bit bigger. And right now I need to select the segment tool. You see, line segment tool. Okay, and I need a little bit change the color a little bit bigger. 3. See, I think 14 or 15 is fine. And I needed this to the middle side and just put it over here and adjust to little bit bigger. I think it's a little bit more better. So I need this opacity little bit. It's more better. So what should I do? I just to now go to the object and expand and okay. So that's fine. This is fantastic. And what will we do? I just select all the things over here. Select all the things and go to the Pathfinder and go to the minus. See, this is all our magic. So right now I need to go to the where you see the pen tool and the anchor point tools. There's so many tools, but I need the anchor and I go over here. I think a little bit like things and I think like that over here. Just select okay. Right now I need to go over here and I think it's that I don't know what happening is over here. Like that. Another thing is that also like that. This thing is done well and you see it's a happen. It's easy to do this one. So this is exactly what I wanted. So just right now, just to ungroup all the things and just change the color. Go to the over here and change this color and over here and just go to the eyedropper tool over here change already change, and go over here and go for tools over here. You see exactly what I wanted, and go again over here, go over tool, put it over here. You see, very simple, very simple, and very gorgeous, colorful design. So I'm gonna just put it over here, and I needed to bring this one. See, no difference between this one. So probably bigger. Just put it over here. You see, no difference between this one. So I need to delete one things, and another I need to keep this one, and I think this is looking better. So the guys, this is the all and I have done, and I show you. Just you stay tuned with me and subscribe my channel. Thanks for watching.